How to make a PowerPoint presentation with pictures on your laptop. So I'm not sure why there's a difference between your laptop and a computer or something, but there probably isn't. Now, if you want to use pictures, let's honestly just go ahead and show you. We're gonna go ahead and start with a blank, and we're gonna start from scratch. So if you want to use pictures for your presentation, there's lots of ways you can utilize this, but in our case, we're just gonna go ahead here in the insert section. In insert, here you'll find the pictures. You can insert pictures from the device you have. You can take a look at stock images or online pictures, but in our case, we're gonna use this device. So you just go ahead and find the folder where you want to take pictures from. In our case, we have a folder full of cats, and we just go ahead and press on insert to the picture we want. It's much better to do one at a time, since if you do all of them, this is what happens. So you get all the pictures at once, and you'll probably have a hard time doing all of them at once. So much better to just do them one by one. So we're just gonna go ahead and get one over here. Let's get this one. So what we're gonna do is take a look at what we can do with the image. So we can resize, we can right click, we can cut it, we can eradicate it from existence, we can crop the image itself. So we can even reframe the little kitty cat out of the size or whatever this is, the frame. Other than that, we can also crop, which what we were wanting to do, honestly. We can go ahead and put in a random text box to see how the image interacts with this thing. So let's put in something here, hello, and for the cat, it's going to be behind the text. You could bring it to front, but this of course covers the text, and if you'd like, you can pretty much manually edit this image over here. You can go ahead to size and position, and you'll have lots of these options: the size, the position of the image, the text box it's inside. You even have these options like the shadows, the sizes, but that's for the box itself. If you want the image, it's over here. So picture corrections, if you want the sharpness to be lower, you can do that, but we're not gonna do that for now. And with that in mind, you can tweak it to whatever you want, but without further ado, this is the presentation, the incredible presentation we made.